जिन्होंने कहा पूरे देश से तुम्हारे सारे जुल्म और सितम का हिसाब लूंगा, और सितम का हिसाब लूंगा। तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा। तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा।
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Have a glorious evening to one and all present here. We are the students from Edwardam National School and Junior College, Lakmapur, from grade class
Third second है
from group.
Nations Vision,
Yes, from group.
Nations Vision। एक व्यक्ति किस विचार को लेकर मर सकता है, लेकिन उसके मृत्यु के बाद वही विचार हजारों जिंदगी में उतार लेता है। The person should live and die, it is in God's hands, but how he live his life, that thing is in our own hands. Our leaders who also spend their life for the nation, for the nation.
Freedom, freedom, freedom. But what is a freedom? Freedom is a discipline. Freedom is a sacrifice. Freedom is a vision of a strong India. Freedom is a equality between genders. Our national leader gave this freedom to all of us. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose. Believe freedom should achieve through strong and no direct action. Subhash Chandra Bose was a brave man. He was born on 23rd January 1897 in Odisha. His slogan is give me blood and I will give you freedom and I will give you freedom. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा। तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा। The slogan is motivate soldiers.
People now call him Netaji. He believe in the slogan Jai Hind. He believe in the slogan Jai Hind. People now call him Netaji. He believe in the slogan Jai Hind. He believe in the slogan Jai Hind.
यात्रा के सबसे बड़ा अपराध अन्याय सहना और गलत के साथ समझौता करना और गलत के साथ समझौता करना है। He formed the Azad in the force with many soldiers. He formed the Azad in the force with many soldiers.
Subhash Chandra Bose sacrificed his life for freedom. Subhash Chandra Bose sacrificed his life for freedom.
He took command of the Indian National Army. He took command of the Indian National Army. When we stand, the Azad in the force has to be like a wall of granite. When we march, the Azad in the force has to be like a steamroller. Netaji was Congress leader. He was adopted the India National Congress in 1938, Haripura. ये मैंने सिमरन के तेलुगु in 1930. We lost one powerful soldier. In 18 August 1945. Following a reported plane crash in Tawan. एक ही आत्मा है और वो अनंत है। जैसे एक ही महासागर है और वो अनंत है। We are showing short journey of Netaji. Conversation between Bose and his father.
Subhash, this is a serious and powerful job. Father, I cannot stop the British government while my country is in chains.
Subhash, you have passed the ICS exam, a proud moment for our family.
My duty is secure India, not British Empire. I resign.
And thought began the journey of revolutionary Congress meeting Bose and Gandhi seated. Non-violent is a dated paper. Babu, freedom is not given, it is taken. We must fight strongly against British. There is disagreement in leadership. Thought was the India deeply, their paths were different. Both later resigned and formed the forward bloc in Kolkata. You are not allowed to use this sound.
For Indian freedom, I must live.
His goal and determined, he gave free British watch and travel abroad to seek support. To free India from British rule, Bose met Hitler in 1942 for help.
Hitler, we want your help. Hitler, we want your help.
Yes, yes, I help you. Soldier, give me blood and I will give you freedom. Soldier, give me blood and I will give you freedom. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! He reorganized the Indian National Army and declared the Provisional Government of Free India in 1943. In 1945, news spread of a plane crash in Tibet. Netaji is no more. Netaji is no more. A strong soldier needs both military and hard training. A strong soldier needs both military and hard training. A leader may fall, but his dream lives forever. Freedom is not gift, it is the right. Freedom is not gift, it is the right. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
जब देश को जरूरत थी उठी थी एक आवाज। कोई कहता है वो गुमनामी है, कोई कहता है सुभाष। सच में वो नेताजी है, रहता दिल के पास। आज भी उनकी गूंज है हर हिंदुस्तानी के खास। कोई कहता है वो गुमनामी है, कोई कहता है सुभाष। सच में वो नेताजी है, रहता दिल के पास। सच में वो नेताजी है, रहता दिल के पास। आजादी की जो जंग थी उसमें थी उनकी जान। देश को आजाद कराने का था उनका अरमान। वीर सुभाष ने दिखाया दुनिया को अपना रास्ता। कदम कदम पर वो बढ़े मातृभूमि का वास्ता। कोई कहता है वो गुमनामी है, कोई कहता है सुभाष। सच में वो नेताजी है, रहता दिल के पास। सच में वो नेताजी है, रहता दिल के पास। तुमने हमें सिखाया हिम्मत और बलिदान। तेरी राहों पर चलने का है सब कुछ का अभिमान। भारत माँ के वीर सपूत तुझको शत शत प्रणाम। तेरे हर एक कदम पर देश करे सलाम। कोई कहता है वो गुमनामी है, कोई कहता है सुभाष। सच में वो नेताजी है, रहता दिल के पास। सच में वो नेताजी है, रहता दिल के पास। तेरी गाथा सुन सुन के रो पड़ती है रात। तेरी यादों से ही तो है रोशन ये सौगात। तू है हर दिल में जिंदा, तू है हर सांस। तेरे बिना अधूरी है ये आजादी की आस। कोई कहता है वो गुमनामी है, कोई कहता है सुभाष। सच में वो